Hello everybody, thank you for joining us this fine day. Today we'll be drawing a hand holding a burger. Actually somebody has actually requested that we do this, so if you have your pencils all set. So there are two ways that a hand holds a burger. One is, well, the realistic way is this. We usually use two hands if it's something like a Big Mac or a double burger, and we have to hold the burger like this, but we'll do that as well, but we will first do just a hand holding a burger. So if we have to model a hand holding a burger, let's just go with the burger itself first. So now that's not the top or the bottom, but so this oval will contain the top and the bottom of the burger. So essentially it is an oval shape, so we can cut it right there, and let's say that that is the bottom of the bun. And now my focus is not what is inside here, and we will see how far we can go with that, but then that is not the purpose of the exercise. We are focusing on that hand that is holding the burger. So there's a burger looking like a UFO pretty much, but then outside, so there are 2 or 3 ways to go about it, and of course it depends on the size of the burger. I'm just drawing a small burger here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again round about here, 1 right here. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you might have guessed, that is the index finger. I'm using the left hand. So, and so then 1 line like that, 1 line like that. So that's 2 lines actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again we just go that way, and depending on the size I am stopping the burger bun there, so fairly flat, fairly normal, not too big, not too small burger. So this thumb, we can imagine that if we could see through the bun, it would be somewhere here. So you could do that. You could go with light strokes, actually keep it light right through and come like that. So we are actually drawing in our thumb right there. So the thumb portion is done. You could also put in an oval right here, and then, you know, make this a little more fleshy, that inside, bony, and that's it. And then you will have the wrist, and depending on the angle of the hand, if it's like that or if it's like that, a bit of that wrist bone will show here, and the exercise is nearly complete. So how we will finish this off is with some details. Now that we got things in place, you could erase that thumb that is underneath, and you will see that it will be easier to look at. And there we are. So okay, with that slight interruption, so here now what we have to just do is just put some of our own spin on this. So that is our index finger, like, or well, not our, but that is usually the index finger, or its make. It's remarkable make, all that. So there's the skin fold right there. Again, just highlighting that thumb, going under that portion of the burger, and then of course this portion standing out like that, that is the top of the bun, and behind the index finger, the middle finger is showing just that much. So that is essentially the sketch of the hand holding the burger. And then of course you could go all the way, put in some finer details there, like the skin folds going like that, and put in some knuckle, like, you know, shadowing depending on the angle that the light is hitting the objects here, the hand, let's say. So I am saying that the light is just coming in down like that. So just black out that portion, put a little bit of shading there, unless the whole, there's the skin folds there. Do not go over too much, because again, sometimes less is more. And here I'm putting in some shading at the bottom of the wrist, going around like those, like so. And I just put in some random crosshead, but here's a little bit of shadow that will definitely fall on the bun. How dark you make it is, again, it's all up to you. Some of it here for the sake of art, but then when you have that down, you might want to put in, depends, maybe some details here. And that's, again, that was not the point of the exercise, I know I mentioned that, but I'm just going a bit out of the way to put in, because it's a hand holding a burger, so the burger is actually part of this. Not the main part in this case, because our highlight was the hand, but we're, for the sake of some details and going along a bit further, putting in some frilly salad right there. Now, of course, if you go about doing this well and take your time, it's going to have a lot of details of its own when you look at salad. But this is one shortcut, you know, just going like this on the edges, imagining, you know, just like a cloth, like wrinkled together, maybe some tomato thrown in there, and maybe some onion rings sticking out like that, maybe some more salad sticking there at the bottom. But that depends on what you need to put into the burger. And of course, you could have seeds all over again, and which would have their own little shadow depending on the light source. So there we have it. Quick exercise in drawing a hand holding a burger. I hope this is of some help. Please do Google lots of images and keep checking and have fun practicing. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.